Taking a look at Shiba, we can see that Shiba has just made a new low from the summer of 2024. So what we can do is take a fib from this high down to the low, and we can argue that as long as Shiba Inu is below 1615, which is your 382 retracement, there's no reason to assume that Shiba is bullish. We can also take a downtrend from this point, and you can see that you're forming obviously a very harsh downtrend. So again, we could technically bounce all the way up to 1360 and still be considered bearish. In my opinion, we can only say that Shiba has bottomed in the short term once it gets over 1615. That would send us up to about 21, and then much higher, obviously, if we break through that, to a new high at 46. However, if we're below 1580 and we're below 1360, there's actually no reason to assume that the low is in, and a new low is still technically possible at 87.2. So we can only say that Shiba has bottomed and this new low is invalidated once it gets over 1615. However, as long as we're below this price, Shiba will continue to decline in price, or at least go sideways, and there's no bull argument until we get over this 1615 level, in my opinion.